What are the benefits of raw milk? Before we talk about that, let's compare the nutrients, the immune factors that are present in the conventional milk and compare it to the raw milk. Conventional milk or pasteurized milk that went through this high heat process have reduction in all the vitamins, the minerals, and the enzymes in the milk compared to the raw milk. The immunoglobulins, which is part of the immune system, also is damaged. The whey protein, which is a protein inside the milk, also is denatured in the pasteurized milk because of the high heat. In the raw milk, all of these components are 100% active. So we have a really good start with the nutrients and the immune factors that are present in the raw milk. So let's look at the health benefits of raw milk. When we look to purchase raw milk, we want to make sure that it's pasture raised, meaning it's been out there on the pasture eating grass and being in the sun all day long, as opposed to the conventional cow that is fed in the factory farms and it's fed grain. So these grass-fed raw milk contain and they're excellent source of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, and K, minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, lots of electrolytes. They provide these calcium that is bioavailable as opposed to the synthetic calcium that you take as a supplement and is very difficult to absorb by the body. The raw milk is excellent source of brain and heart healthy fatty acids like conjugated linoleic acid, omega-3s, and butyrate. These are also cancer prevention nutrients. Raw milk contains high amounts of beneficial antioxidants like vitamin E, beta-carotene. These help reduce the inflammation and fight oxidative stress, meaning they reduce the occurrence of chronic diseases and reduce the aging process of the cells. The whey protein and immunoglobulin is not denatured in the raw milk, and they are important in burning fat and building lean muscle, and of course, boosting your immune system. Raw milk contains digestive enzymes that help with higher nutrient absorption of this milk product. And lactose, which is the sugar in the milk, is not denatured in the raw milk. So the lactose intolerance are rare because the enzyme lactase is able to recognize this intact sugar and is able to digest it. And lastly, very importantly, the raw milk has a low allergic reaction. The reason being because when you pasteurize milk in the high heat, you kill all the bacteria inside this milk, but the components of these bacteria are all inside the milk. And when you drink this pasteurized milk, you actually are taking in these particles of this bacteria, and your immune system reacts to those particles or to those denatured protein, to those denatured enzymes, and starts reacting against them. So start buying raw milk in your health food store.